Have you ever opened YouTube and just felt like it knows you? Like it's peeking into your brain and pulling out exactly what you want to watch? It's not magic, and it's not a psychic. It's an incredibly smart piece of technology, and today, we're pulling back the curtain to see exactly how it works. We're going to demystify the YouTube algorithm and explain why your homepage feels like it was made just for you. So, what's the big secret? It's all about something called an algorithm. Now, that word might sound super technical and complicated, but the core idea is pretty straightforward. Think of the algorithm as your personal digital assistant. Its one and only job is to learn your tastes, figure out what you enjoy, and then serve you up a constant stream of videos you'll love. It's a matchmaker for content. And how does it learn? Simple. It watches you. Every single action you take on YouTube is a piece of data. Every click, every search, every second you spend watching a video, it all matters. Let's start with the most important signal you send, your watch history. What videos do you actually click on? And more importantly, how long do you stick around? If you watch a 10-minute video from start to finish, you're sending a massive positive signal to YouTube. This is called watch time or audience retention, and it's king. It tells the algorithm, this video was so good, it held my attention completely. On the flip side, if you click on a video and bail after just a few seconds, that's a negative signal. The algorithm learns that the title or thumbnail might have been catchy, but the content itself just wasn't for you. But it's not just about watching. Your interactions are like casting a vote. When you hit that like button, you're essentially telling YouTube, yes, please. Show me more videos just like this one. When you take the time to leave a comment, you're showing a deeper level of engagement. Sharing a video with a friend, that's an even stronger endorsement. And the ultimate signal is subscribing to a channel. Subscribing says, I trust this creator, and I want to be notified about everything they post in the future. It's a commitment, and the algorithm pays close attention to it. The algorithm also learns from what you don't do. Every video you scroll past on your homepage without clicking is a silent vote of no thanks. Over time, if you consistently ignore videos about a certain topic or from a particular channel, YouTube gets the hint and will start showing you less of that type of content. You can even take direct control. Using the not interested or don't recommend channel options gives the algorithm explicit, crystal clear feedback about your preferences, helping it fine-tune your recommendations even faster. So how does all this lead to discovering new things? This is where it gets really interesting. YouTube looks for patterns across millions of users. If you've watched a lot of videos about, say, urban gardening, the algorithm will look at what other urban gardening fans are watching. Maybe it notices that many of them are also into videos about minimalist home design or DIY woodworking. Based on that connection, it might suggest a woodworking video to you. This process is called collaborative filtering, and it's how you stumble upon new channels and topics you would never have thought to search for yourself. Finally, the algorithm analyzes the video's information itself. It scans titles, descriptions, and tags for keywords. If your watch history is filled with videos titled Easy Weeknight Recipes, YouTube's system will actively search for other videos with similar keywords to recommend to you. This is why creators put so much effort into crafting the perfect titles and detailed descriptions. It's how they tell the algorithm exactly what their video is about and who it's for. So, when you really break it down, the YouTube algorithm isn't a mind reader. It's a powerful, data-driven pattern matching machine. It learns from your behavior, your interactions, and the behavior of millions of others to create a viewing experience that feels uniquely personal. The more you use YouTube, the smarter it gets at predicting what you'll love next. Thanks so much for watching this deep dive into the YouTube algorithm. If you found this explanation helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button, and subscribe for more videos breaking down the tech that shapes our world. I'd love to know, what's the best video YouTube has ever recommended to you? Let me know down in the comments. See you in the next one.